Hey guys, welcome to thetechgranth. So today we'll solve the problem of robot return to original. It is an easy category problem, and it says that there is a robot starting at a 0 0 position, which is the origin on a 2D plane, and given a sequence of moves, if this robot ends up at 0 0 or not. So that is what we need to find out, and the valid moves are right, left, up, and down. So if you consider this as a 2D plane, so I can either go towards my right side or I can go uh, towards left. So this will be a left move. Then we will have a move upwards. So maybe like this we can simulate upwards. Yep. And we will have a down move. So we'll have something like this. So these are the four valid moves for the robot. Now we need to find, if suppose it started from this point, so whether it returned back to this or not. So what we can do is we can take two variable, like an x-axis, a variable which will move around horizontally towards right or towards left, and a variable y which will move towards up or down, which will be the y-axis. And at the end we need to check for that value whether that value is same as when it started. So since it starts at origin, so it should end up at origin. So I will say if x is equals to 0, so I started my x-axis at 0 and even y-axis at 0. So at the end when I return, so both again should be 0. So if this is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0, so if this is the condition, then it means it does return to its original position. Now how do you basically simulate the move? So these moves in the example, it says that it is a string which is coming as ud. So u is for up, d is for down, and then you have l for left and r for right. So for moves you can say we'll take it as char array move, and it will be moves dot to char array, and we'll check if move is equal to right. So it means that it is this step, so it has moved towards right. It means its value of x has increased, so it will be x plus plus. Okay, otherwise if the value of move is equal to left, it means that it has moved towards left, so the value of x axis will decrease, so it will decrement here. Else if the move is equal to u, it means that the value of y axis has increased, it has gone up, so it will be y plus plus. And the last case, else it will be down, so it means that value of y has decreased, so it will go down. So if in the end, after making all the moves that has been given here, it comes back to origin, then that is what we need to return. So if it comes back to origin, this will be true, so boolean return will be true, otherwise it will be false. So not much is there in this problem, it's pretty simple. So that's it. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. And those who are interested in learning about system design, I have started a tutorial on the frequently asked questions on system design. I have started with distributed cache system design, which is like how your Redis cache works. So do check it out. The link is there in the description. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye.